So I'm trying to get back in the groove and do some YouTube stuff. Yeah, it's been quite some time. I can't even remember the last time I posted something YouTube wise. I think it was some of the carburetor replating stuff. But in a nutshell, there was a lathe that came up for sale on at my day job, and I knew I was in no position to get it due to, I don't know, funds for one, and then basically, I don't know. I mean, this thing, it does what I need to do, and it's like, what do you need another lathe for? So, hell, I've got a World War II version Kerner and Tricky mill outside of the shop that I can't even find room for, and I'm not going to give up on that old girl. But that being said, rather than worry about the lathe that I couldn't get, I just started to kind of renovate, add to the whole ensemble of this whole setup. Tool holders, of course, and then tooling, and then 3D printing the shit out of stuff. I've got 3 3D printers now, and I'm constantly improving those the best I can for add-ons. I'm just trying to organize my insert setup. Just basically have a new appreciation for what you got already. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I don't know. So, yeah. All that being said, there's more to come, but I think there's a lot to be said about fine tuning what you already have. These DROs are kind of pretty generic, quite honestly. But they're within like a half a thou. But you either know your machine or you don't. So that itself is pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know. Just kind of wanted to do some sort of a YouTube thing and show that I'm still here, kind of doing stuff that benefits me, because quite honestly, I'm pretty burnt out on doing side work, and I had to focus on me and get me happy. And I don't think there's a whole lot wrong with that, to be quite honest. So yeah. Anywho's, yeah. And then this here is just a practice thing, and always like the engine turn setup. Always did a Sharpie and gridded it out and did it on the drill press, but I'm gonna get a better wire brush or a Scotch-Brite brush or a ball or what have you, and I think it's gonna be neat if I can take a whatever the pattern is, because I've got a 4x4 CNC machine that could lay that out if I have to. So that was kind of my first run at that whole deal, and I think it's pretty damn cool. So it's just a plate to set on the end of a machine and starts to be a catch-all. Hopefully not, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. Because it's our shop and not a lot of people come in there. Used to be a lot of people in here, but you know what? Yeah. It is what it is. So yeah. Hopefully I'll try to recap some more shop stuff here, and maybe I could help somebody out and have some sort of a vision, because I know for myself I need some sort of a uplifting vision, and like, what's the purpose, So that's a daily though. Anywho's, back to work tomorrow.